Hey, hey, what do you say? It's Monday. Smokin Lizzard here. Um, we have to do a dinner today for our family members. We've had a loss in our family. So Bree and I jumped to the task, and here we are. We got our chicken. It's just about to be ready to sauce, but that's it right there. How you like that? Woo-wee. What we did with that chicken, look at spritz it a bit. I'm not gonna flip this chicken like I did the last time. We're gonna keep that right there like that. Nice little spritz on it. So what we did, we brined the chicken overnight with all our fixings and juices that we brine them in. You saw the brine video for the turkey, same thing. Um, so up here, what we got going on? We got Breeze smoked mac and cheese going. It's getting all smoky, but yeah, so we just put that on. We just put that on. Over here, we have our yellow garden rice. Look at that. Yes, sir. That's ready to come off. We have our Italian green beans. Heating those up. And right here, you know you got that lizard juice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, but this is what we're doing today, man. We try to keep always smiling, like the old proverb says. The face may smile, but the heart may be crying. Uh, and that's the case. We don't worry about anything because worryation is a lack of faith, and we keep it moving, man. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Man, we appreciate everybody coming over to watch the prepping for the Olivers and country style. That went phenomenal, man. I can't wait until Art puts that video out. Please, please don't miss that episode from Art, man, in the country style family. We had a great time. Oliver and Gina has this great place out there. You're gonna love it. You're gonna love it when you see it, man. We had such a great time. I want to thank them, the Olivers. I want to thank Art Country Style Crew. Just much love to everybody, man. You know I love you, and ain't a damn thing you can do about it, man. Man, like I said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and continue to watch us. We're going to be right back when I get ready to take all this off, all right? We're going to see you. Hey, hey, Lizard back at you, man. It's time to sauce this chicken, and we're gonna sauce it lightly because I want people to taste the flavor that's coming out of this thing. Baby, you want to get on that side? We're just going to go over that lightly. After after it's baked on, y'all, we'll leave it on here for about another 15 minutes. And then what we'll do, that skin crispy. Oh gosh, I love it. Uh, like I said, we'll leave it on here for probably about 15 minutes. Let that sauce bake on there. Soak down in that meat. Lord have mercy. We're talking about some kind of good. Yeah. We don't want to put a lot of a whole bunch of sauce on there And all you can taste is sauce, man. Nobody wants that. You want to taste that flavor. It is chilly, y'all. But with it being so chilly, it cause you to work a little bit with your fire. Yeah. You know how to use those vents, man. One little brush over the chicken. The chicken, as I call it, the chicken. The yard bird. And again, I'm not gonna flip them. The chicken is really, really moist on the bottom, y'all. I have uh, uh, 2 pans in the bottom, full of juice, no water. And the drippings from that chicken just drip down in there, and then that water starts to steam and go up into that chicken, man. Man, you talking about some kind of good. 2 more months before my birthday, February 16th, y'all. What should I do? Y'all should come and let's have a party. That'd be fun. Meet some new faces. Eat some food that you haven't tasted before. And man, I tell you what, that this pan is here. What I'm gonna do now that it's all sauced up, uh, I'm gonna bake. Let that bake on. Lizard's juice has enough heat on it, so it should bake on pretty quick. Uh, I'm gonna pan the chicken, and then I'm gonna finish it up on the big grill. Um, like I said, the mac and cheese is still rolling. The green beans and smoked turkey rolling. The yellow garden rice is in the warm box. She's ready to go. But yeah, I was saying something. It slipped my mind. I can't remember, but maybe I'll remember on the next take and I'll fill you in then. Oh, the fish, the Escovitch fish. Man, that thing was the bomb diggity. And I had somebody, I think it was Anthony. Anthony said, hey, man, my wife and I eat fish at Escovitch or Escovitch fish once a week, at least once a week. He says, man, and none of them can touch this one. I was so happy to hear that. It tickled me to death. Well, it tickled me to life. I ain't talking about no death. Hey, but yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. The smoke is in the air, and we'll be right back. Let's go. Okay, y'all, it's time to pan them up. Let's pan them up. Ugh. Pull book down, Maxwell. It's gonna be all right, baby. I'm gonna get some surgery done on you. We're gonna pan this up. We're gonna pan them up and put them on the big grill. We already got the mac and cheese on there finishing up. So let's see if we can get all these thighs in here and legs. Buy some legs. Dog meat, baby. Dog meat. We'll let that go while I get dressed on the big grill on Big Mama. Start this like this. Yeah. Come on now. Come on, y'all. Let's get her done. We're losing daylight. My favorite words. The lizard losing daylight again. It's easy, but this time here, you lose your daylight. But this is what we're gonna do. Get them all panned up and ready to go. Them green beans, babe. I open them things up, and my goodness, that aroma hit me in my face. I said, "Ooh, somebody give me a spoon." Yeah, come on. You get in there. You get in there too. Turn around, will ya? Be polite. I guess that chicken said, after you done put that heat on me and you want me to be polite to you? Come on, Shawnee Boo. Mm-hmm. This should work out perfectly. Should work out perfectly. Nice and baked on. And another thing that I do is I take the take my apple juice, and pour down in the bottom of this pan and let it just steam real nice. But this is what we do, y'all. So we're gonna finish that up, man, and we're gonna call this video finished. And I want you to know that I love you. Ain't a damn thing you can do about it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And I really appreciate you guys tuning in. So we're gonna see you the next time we do something on the grill, which will be real soon. We're gonna see you. I love you. Ain't nothing you can do about it. And I will see you when I see you, which will be on the first chance I get. We gone.